You are here to learn a new trick in PowerPoint, right? Well, I have just the one. A warm welcome from the PPT guy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove the image background in PowerPoint. I have already taken 5 different images including a couple of GIF images. Let us get started with the first image. Select the image for which you need to remove the background. Click on Picture Format and then on Remove Background. The background removal is roughly done. Select the Mark areas to keep option and draw lines over the needed regions. Alternatively, select the region which you need to remove. Now, the background of the image is removed. Let us head to the second image, which is tricky because the background has gradient variations of multiple colors. Use the same method as the previous image, but concentrate on minute details and use the Keep and Remove tool back and forth a few times. The background is removed. Let us remove the background of a GIF image. This, you cannot do as the previous images. Select the image, click on Shape Format and then on the Color option. Find the transparent color option below and select it. Click on the image background, it'll be gone. Let us try with another GIF image with 2 background colors. First, we'll pause the image. Repeat the same procedure as the previous GIF image. There is a limitation to this feature, that only one color can be removed at a time. Let us try. First, we will remove the blue, the green stays. Then remove the green color, blue pops out. See, the other color pops out. Our final image is a gradient background. We need to utilize the Remove Background feature under Picture Format. Let's apply it. If you see these images, they are not that sharp. I have found a tool online that can help you remove an image background in just one click. The online tool is remove.bg. Let's remove the background of the last image. You can directly upload images through the clipboard using Ctrl+V. Let us copy the modified image and paste it into our slide for comparison. You can see the stark difference here. We will try with the first image, the nature one. Reload the website and paste the photo. The background is removed. Paste it to the slide and compare. If you want to try this tool, there's a link in the comments, check it out. I hope this inspired you to new ideas. Rate this tutorial in the comments. Subscribe to the PPT guy for more PowerPoint tutorials and design inspiration.